Imagine making $900 every day with just 2 hours of work using Wi-Fi. It sounds unbelievable, right? Yet, many have turned this dream into reality. Let's explore how you can too. The financial freedom you seek is within reach. With the right strategy, anyone can create a lucrative income stream. Our focus today is on a proven blueprint. First, identify a profitable niche. This could be digital marketing, e-commerce, or online teaching. Choose something you're passionate about. This makes work enjoyable and sustainable. Next, build an online presence. Start with social media or a personal website. Showcase your skills and attract a following. This creates opportunities for partnerships and clients. Then, invest your time wisely. Spend your 2 hours efficiently. Focus on high-impact tasks that yield results. Avoid distractions and stick to your schedule. After that, monetize your skills. Offer services or products that solve problems. Research what your audience needs. This ensures that you're meeting demands and generating income. Let's clarify this with an example. Consider a digital marketer. They spend 2 hours daily creating valuable content. They offer consulting services, attracting clients. Within weeks, they're making $900 daily. Remember, consistency is key. Regular effort grows your business. Track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. This helps you stay on the right path. In summary, making $900 a day with just 2 hours is achievable. By choosing a niche, building your presence, investing time wisely, and monetizing your skills, you create a pathway to financial freedom. Now, are you ready to take action? Start your journey today. Choose your niche, create that online presence, and begin working toward your goal. Your financial freedom awaits.